Welcome to our week 1 Security Risk Assessment Masterclass. I'm glad you're here because today we are laying a foundation that will guide every security risk assessment that we'll perform in the future. My name is Cyprian Musanya, security consultant and risk management expert. I have an experience of over 21 years working in various sectors, various situations, working in the National Police Service in Kenya, and having been also a commander station. I've worked in embassies like Israel Embassy and the British Embassy. I have a wealth experience that I want to share so that you get practical experience in your work. And that is more important than even certificate itself. Security Risk Assessment, or SRA as it is called in short, is a structured, methodical process used to identify, analyze, and evaluate risks that could affect people, assets, operations, or reputation of a person or a company. This is more than just a compliance exercise. It's about making informed decisions to protect what matters to your organization or the person if it is executive protection. Without a formal risk assessment, decisions are often reactive, made only after an incident occurs, or assumptive, based on personal judgment without data or analysis. And as you know, that is dangerous. A well-executed SRA will allow you to identify risks before they materialize, giving you the chance to act proactively. For example, if you notice laptops are often left unsecured at a nursing station if it's an hospital setting, then this will allow you to implement controls before theft occurs. Number 2, prioritize threats based on severity and likelihood. So you can focus on what could cause the most harm. Because you prioritize the threats. For instance, a cyber attack on patient records might be less likely than a physical theft, but its impact is higher. Guide decisions making for controls and investments. Where do you put your resources first? Where do you need to expand? Where do you need to trim? Where do you need staff training? Support legal and regulatory compliance, which is especially important in industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Regulatory breaches can result in heavy fines. So as a security manager, you have to know where to provide stakeholders with the right information. And then lastly, but not least, provide assurance to stakeholders that risks are being actively managed, building confidence in your organization and operations. Now, I believe you have your workbook. Take a moment to write in your workbook why you think SRA is proactive rather than reactive. Also, write down your personal goal for this course